Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, we had a downtrend initially on both SPY and QQQ. Now we have an uptrend. Pre-market, we have very low volume, and this move on low volume doesn't indicate enough strength. So I'll wait for the market open to see how the markets react and then define a trades based on that. We do have around 20 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. Trying to get in around 350. Getting out for now. It's too early. SPX around 3,900. I think it would fail. First trade was a really bad trade. I was expecting this level to fail. Clearly went against me. Super glad that I've exited. If this candle is also green, I'll switch my bias to bullish. Below 3,900. Looks good to the put side now. Let's see whether SPX could go below yesterday's closing price. Fake the move, but I think it will come down. Trying to get in around 240. Caught me again. Break down for me. Yep. Selling for now. Buying again. 275. I think it will continue. Looking for a second ad around the EMAs. Giving it some more time. Yep. All over the place. Just holding. Out for now. I'm pretty certain it's going to sell off, but these lower wicks were concerning. I was expecting this. Try to get in around 250. Out for now. I got into this trade because SPX was hovering around 3,900 and I knew it could act as a resistance. So I got in and I got out. That was a quick scalp. Now let's see whether SPX could break today's high. So 30 minutes out on the day from being red to being up around $25. I'm happy about it. And today pretty much I think it's gonna be sideways and I don't want to overextend and go back into the red again. So I'll wrap it up and call it a day. Overall, an okay day of trading, making $25 in around 30 minutes. No reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basis and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.